Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be focusing on the areas of the house that you don't do every day. As you can see, this pan is busted. It looks old, it looks dirty, it looks grimy, and I used Easy Off on it and I let it sit for about 15 minutes and look at how brand new it looks. So the night before this, I was trying to do some research on how to clean the glass top of the stove because we've never had that before, so I didn't really know how to clean it super good. And I saw a lot of people just doing all kinds of crazy things like leaving baking soda and vinegar on it for like 5 hours or like, I don't know, just a bunch of stuff. And finally, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to try Easy Off and see how that works. So I sprayed Easy Off all over the top of the glass stove, and then I got saran wrap and I left it on there for like 3 or 4 hours and it cleaned it so amazing. I was so sad that I didn't record any of it because I didn't think it was gonna work as good as it did, and it worked fantastic. So next time, like, I gotta do a really good deep clean on the stove. I will for sure record that because Easy Off will be your best friend. I know it's not like a very clean ingredient to use, like it's pretty chemical, like it had a strong smell. But it works, so I couldn't complain. I've seen a lot of people use the pink stuff, but I don't know, I'm just not a fan of it. I feel like it doesn't clean as good as everybody makes it seem. Like, I've used it before, I went through the whole tub, and I don't know, it's something I just wouldn't purchase again. Michael was suggesting the vinegar and baking soda the same way, like with the saran wrap. So I think I will try that because I do have those items in my home all the time. They're like my favorite cleaning items. I use it for laundry. Like I use it for so much of my cleaning. I did 2 rounds of Easy Off on this pan just because I was trying to get it like as brand new as I could get it, and it worked so good. I did it on a lot of the other pans too, and I couldn't believe how good it was working. Next up, I am going to be deep cleaning the mattress. So what I like to do is I mix baking soda and essential oil, and then I just put it all over the mattress and I let that sit. I think I let it sit for about an hour in this video, and then I just vacuum it up after, and it just really deodorizes it and makes it smell fresh again. I always get questions about what I'm doing right here, and these are just wool dryer balls, and I put essential oil all over them. And they're kind of just like, what are they? I think they're fabric sheets, or I don't know, just the sheets that people like to use in the dryer. This is an alternative that's just less chemically, and it's good for sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin, so I just like to use this method. So I've seen the cleaning hack when you're washing whites to use just a little bit of the blue Dawn dish soap, and I've tried it, and I do it like I don't do it all the time. I don't know how much it actually works, but if you want to try that and let me know if it works for you, let me know. All right, this one's for all the ladies. This is your sign to go wash your makeup brushes because I know we don't wash them that often, but it needs to get done because if you don't wash your brushes, your skin is going to break out bad. And if it doesn't, then you're blessed. Michael, my husband, was saying, and I agreed with him, if I'm not talking in the videos, it kind of feels like it goes slower. Like for the seconds that I don't talk, it's like, dang, this is kind of going slow. But then when I talk again, it kind of feels like the video just flies by. When I wash my makeup brushes, I actually just go ahead and use the Dawn dish soap. I tried it one time just to see, because it cleans them really good. And I have sensitive skin, so I was like, oh, I'm going to try it. And if it makes me break out, I won't do it again. And I tried it, and it doesn't make me break out. So I just still do it this way. And I wash it in the kitchen sink, and then I just put it back in the glass and I let it air dry. But I squeeze all the water out and I shape it back into like a tight form so that the shape of the brush doesn't get, too misshapen when you're washing it. So when I'm cleaning the mirrors or any type of glass in the house, I just use my own glass cleaner, and it's literally like 90% alcohol and then 10% water. I put in a spray bottle, I shake it up, and it's good to go. So far, we've deep cleaned the mattress, makeup brushes, the mirrors, and the TV screen, and now we're getting underneath the couch. And then after that, we're gonna hit up inside the couch. I couldn't even believe all of the little toys under the couch. I don't, how does it get under there? There's just so much. I'll look at some of the messes we can make as just a family of 3, and I can't even imagine bigger families than that. I don't know how you guys do it. I actually try to clean inside the couch at least 4 times a month. Just because things so many crumbs build up in there, and that's how you attract bugs and cockroaches and all kinds of, yucky things in the house. Watching over your own videos, cleaning videos, can be really therapeutic sometimes, especially when you clean something really good, like the pot I did in the beginning. But then sometimes when you'll watch back something like this and you miss a little crumb, it's like, dang, how did I miss that? And if you wanted to take it a step further, you could also use the deodorizing mixture that we used on the mattress earlier to deodorize the couch. So our mattress came with a mattress cover, and I didn't even bother washing that because I had no idea how I was gonna put it underneath the mattress. It sounded like a pain, so I just didn't do that. The room that I always avoid, my daughter's room. I don't even know why I avoid it because it's not really hard. All of her toys go into one chest, and then some go into her kitchen, and then she has the smallest baby clothes to put away. So I don't know why it's always the last thing I want to touch, but it is the last thing that I always touch. A lot of times I really have no idea what music to play for my videos. Sometimes I want to go for a calm, ASMR relaxing kind of vibe. And then sometimes I just want to really fast-paced music because it's supposed to motivate you, But I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you like to hear in cleaning videos usually? We are nearing the end of the video. Honestly, the last things I do are just putting away all of the laundry. We had a lot of laundry that I did not put away for a couple days, so it's always nice to finally just get that out of the way. I am on Instagram if you want to go ahead and follow me on there. I post pretty often, and I also post a lot of home decor, what we eat in a day, small videos of cleaning motivation. I don't know, I'm kind of all over the place, but I kind of like it that way. My cleaning videos have been getting a lot of traction, so I do have a lot of new subscribers here. Hi. I know I probably should do this at the beginning, but I'm doing it at the end. If you guys have anything you want me to clean in particular, or any questions, or any cleaning hacks, advice, you can always comment, and I respond most of the time. You know, I try not to be one of those people who just ignore the comments, just because, I don't know, it's so cool to like actually have people watching your videos, you know? Thank you so much to everybody who watches. I really, really appreciate it. This is a hobby of mine and I love doing it, and I love being able to share it with you guys. And it's always so cool, like if any of these videos actually motivate you, because that's like 100% the goal, you know? My closet has been getting really full, which is always a blessing, but I do have to clean it out. And I sometimes try to sell these items, but most of the time I just donate them to my local thrift store. That's another thing that I am really into is fashion. And I'm not like into like, oh, I want to dress differently. I don't know. I really like to wear clothes. So I post that on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.